Hi guys, this is how it happened. You have watched my previous video on how to use section break and page break. This is a continuation. This section will be showing you how to create a table of content for your work. So we've done section break and page break. You can refer to that video. So now that you have done your page break and you have done your section break, you want to create an automatic table of content. So what you do is that you come to your home page here, place your cursor on the title page. There are different type of headers that we're going to be using. We have header 1, header 2, and header 3. So how do you know header 1? Header 1 are the main heading like this, the title page. So, but when we talk about header 2, that's when you start talking about, maybe you start talking about 1.0, 1.0. So while header 3, the part where you have 1.1.1, there are some part of your work like that. These are header 3. So, and I think that's the major level. So it depends on how you want to do it. So now we're starting with header 1. Click on this. Now you click on header 1. This automatically select header 1. Turn this thing to header 1. But you can right click on it to modify it. How do you modify it? Just change. Maybe you're used to Times New Roman. You want to set it to be 12. You want to make everything bold, and you want to make all the color black. So you want a line spacing. Maybe you have a double line spacing. You can click here for line spacing just to create a space, and you click OK. So once you have done this, you go to the next one. This one is also an header 1. Just click on it, then select header 1. You go down. This is another header 1. You click header 1. You come here, click on it. Make sure you are clicking on that thing first before you go and click. Table of content is also a kind of header 1. We click on it. List of figure, the kind of header 1. We'll click on it. List of table is a kind of header 1. We'll click on it. And we'll repeat that. Abstract is a kind of header 1. We'll click on it. So now chapter 1 is a kind of header 1. We'll click on it. But this other part is a kind of, let's say, header 2. And the same way, instead of clicking on header 1, what you do in this case is that you click on header 2. So that means you are clicking on H2. So you are clicking on H2, it might alter your numbering. So all you just need to do is to put it back and arrange it. So like I said, you can modify and come here, change this to Times New Roman, change this to your font size, the ones you want to use, and this to black. And I can also create my line spacing. I click OK. So that's header 2. So now this kind of stuff is header 3. So I click on it like this, then I go to header 3. So you can set this to, while you are setting this, you are changing the Times New Roman. It's 12 already. You make it bold, you give it black, you can give it double line spacing or single line spacing. So that's how you repeat it. Now you see, in this case, when you get to figures, you have to create figures. Those ones are not automatic. So you click on figures, you come to this down arrow button, and you click on create a style. So you click on create a style, you can just retype this and turn it to figures. You understand? So if you want to modify it, no problem. So you don't want to modify it, so you can click on modify just to set anything you want to set there, and click OK. So once you click on this, now you see it has shown figure. So you go to the next figure, you click on it, and make sure you highlight it on figure. So this is table. When you click on table, you notice that it's just showing normal. So you come here, do the same thing. You create a new style, and when you create a new style, you can call it tables. So if you want to modify it, maybe you want to make all your tables bold, depending on the specification, you click on modify, select all the properties, and you click OK. So you see now that's on the table. So you go to table also, you click on table. So now that you have set it like that, once you get to any page, this is a kind of header 1. Click on header 1. This is header 2. We'll click on header 2. So this is a figure. Click on it. Go and click figure. This is a table. We'll click on table. This is a figure. We'll click on figure. This is a table. we click on table. So you repeat that process for everything. This is the kind of header 1, you click on header 1. The kind of header 2, you click on header 2. So once you have done that for all the page, now you will scroll to the place you want to generate those automatic. Here now, I want my automatic table of content to be here. So what I do is when I click on this place, I go to this PowerPoint, which is reference. On reference, you click on reference, you see table of content. On table of content, you see this first one, automatic table 1. You can just click on it. Once you click on it, it automatically brings it. You see it now. So you can delete this, highlight this and delete it. You can select all. And right click just to change the time. Maybe you want to be Time New Roman, you want to be 12. You want to put line spacing, you can always do that. So now that you have done this, you want to do your list, you want to put your list of figures too. You scroll down there. So instead of clicking on this table of content, you go to insert tables of figures. When you click on it, here you have to click on option. Why do you have to click on option? Because you have here that you now select I want to insert figures. So you click on figures, you click OK. Then this part is showing how your figure will be reflecting. If you want the figure to have underlined word like this, to have this hyperlink, that when they click on it to direct them, so you can put it. But if you don't want to have hyperlink, you remove the hyperlink. Then you click on OK. Well, then you see, so it shows the figures automatically here and their page numbering. Like I said, you can highlight it, change the font style, change the size, and you can even increase the line spacing. You understand? So after you have done that, you want to insert your list of tables also. Do the same thing. Click on reference, go to insert tables of figure. There, click on option. Then here you select instead of figures now. Since you name your stuff table, don't forget the name that you use. So if I click tables of figures now, it will not work. I use table, so I'm clicking table. So I click OK. I remove the hyperlink. Then I say OK to it. It will ask me, do I want to replace the selected? I will tell him no. So when I have this, you see, so this is a way to generate an automatic table of content. You can edit it as you want. This Time New Roman, you want your 12. Then you want your line space maybe 2. Now this is another thing. In case you now made a mistake or you added something and you want to update it, you right click on it like this and say update field. It will ask you, do you want to update page number alone or the entire table? If it's ordinary page number, you click OK. If it's the entire table, you click entire table. You can do that for this also. You right click, you click on update field. You can update page number only or the entire table. So that is the basic thing on how it happened. Thank you very much.